Hello guys, there's something happening right now in Arochukwu Ancient Kingdom and you don't want to miss this. Guess what they call it?
Mgbachi Mgbala. Mgbachi Mgbala Obinkita.
Now, Mgbachi Mgbala is actually the closing down of all Arochukwu Ekpe temples. From one village to another, across all the villages that have Ekpe temples, beginning from Obinkita, the central hub of the Arochukwu Ancient Kingdom. The Ekpe Society begins to close their temples, one after the other. Now you might wonder, why are they closing their temples and halting their activities? Arochukwu is one of the most revered ancient kingdoms in Africa, renowned for its deep-rooted customs and traditions. Throughout the year, certain regular practices, like the activities of the Ekpe Society, takes place continuously. However, when it's time for the Ikeji Festival, a special seasonal celebration, these regular activities are temporarily suspended. Over the years, this festival has become a powerful symbol of unity and tradition. The moment Mgbachi Mgbala begins, it signifies that Ikeji Aro has officially started.
So Cardinal, Obinkita na Mgbachi Mgbala wota. Ana agbapekwa ya tutu eriba Ikeji chipu ofo agbapekwa Mgbala. Ebidokwa onodo Mgbala.
From that point, a series of deep traditional rites and practices unfold, lasting for a period of 2 to 3 weeks. The Ekeji Festival is a celebration of the New Yam Festival, a time of thanksgiving, prayers for protection and provision, and an opportunity for the sons and daughters of Arochukwu, both home and abroad, to return home, reunite with families, and honor the gods of the land. Now finally, towards the end of the rituals and festival, the entire community gathers at Obinkita Square to celebrate together with their king in a grand style. Okay, I'm pretty sure that by now you might be wondering what the Ekpe spirit often drops at the strategic points. I'll tell you all about that in our next video, and many other things that would really interest you to know about the Ekpe Society. Before the Mgbachi Mgbala officially kicks off. Members of the Ekpe Society hold a special night vigil in the temple, a sacred event that marks the transition into the renowned festival. I'll be sharing exclusive footage of this night video in our next video, so be sure to stay tuned to Inside Africa 360 Media. For now, this is where I say goodbye. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one.
Hey!